अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। हरे कृष्णा। We always talk about mercy, and sometimes we do experience mercy. And mainly we speak about the mercy of the Supreme Lord, and we call him as Karuna Sagar. But the place where we are in now is called Barsana, the hometown of Radharani. And the Karuna Sagar is Karuna Sagar only because he comes here to collect his resources. Radharani's abode is the source of the ocean of compassion and mercy that Krishna poses to carry or claims to be. And Radharani is a very confidential, hidden aspect of spiritual life. Her mercy is not exposed to everybody. It's a secret of bhakti. And yesterday, when we had the Bhumi Pujan of Barsana Bhaktivedanta Eye Hospital, I could feel that what we feel that we have experienced mercy is not even a drop or iota of actually what is there. Yesterday I could feel that there was overwhelming showers of mercy from Radharani. But at the same time, when we were being showered from all the sides by the unbelievable, inconceivable mercy of the Lord, mercy of Radharani, at the same time there was a feeling that there is so much more mercy these saintly people experience. We are experiencing the mercy as per our capacity, as per the level of our purity, because the saintly people are much more pure and much more dear to Radharani. I could feel that they experience much more inconceivable mercy of Radharani. So it was a very wonderful experience. Radharani is very kind and she does not fail to give mercy. The only hindrance is our state of consciousness to receive her mercy. If our consciousness is not prepared and not pure enough, then it's our fault, but she is standing like an ocean to drown us in her mercy. So, as love is unlimited, as devotion is unlimited, the mercy and compassion of Radharani is also unlimited. Even Sri Krishna does not know the extent of mercy of Radharani. He also is studying and researching and trying to fathom the extent and the depth of the ocean of mercy of Radharani. So what to speak of us? He is supposed to be Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he is still searching and doing research how much is the mercy. And the more and more he gets, he's still unsatisfied and still wants more and exploring more. So in front of all this divine interaction, we appear to be very puny and most unqualified, unworthy people. But still, witnessing the experiences of others receiving the mercy is also an extraordinary experience. For that, we need to, I'm firmly convinced about it. For that, we need to chant every day. I don't think there is any other method to connect with this ocean of mercy of Radharani unless we chant the name of her beloved and her own name. That is the easiest qualification for all the unqualified people to be connected. And what happens after we connect or we are able to connect is simply indescribable. I cannot explain to you and describe to you the experience of Radharani's mercy, showers of mercy yesterday. Maybe you can see from my face or get something from my words. But it is something which is indescribable. No language in the world can describe the power, the extent, the overwhelming nature of that mercy. So let us all connect. And yesterday I felt very intensely that another easy way of connecting to Radharani's mercy is to serve her dear devotees. May they be residents of Barsana, Vrindavan Dham, or may they be residing anywhere in the world, but who believe in her, who want to serve her through her service to her devotees. That is another very powerful way which will immediately connect us to her mercy. So I sincerely pray that all of you will chant the holy name of Radha and Krishna, Shyam Sundarji every day and pray for that connection to the ocean of her mercy. And I can assure you that she is more eager than us for us to be connected to that. We feel that we are very eager and she's not responding. But actually it's the other way around. The eagerness that we have is very tiny compared to her eagerness to connect us with her mercy. So let us all understand this and try our best in this lifetime to connect to her mercy. And in that line of connecting with the mercy of Radharani, be sure you have association of Sri Krishna also, because he is also standing the first person in the line of receiving that mercy. So we have a very strong support and association while we are striving for this divine mercy of Radharani. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Jai Sri Radhe Shyam.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Who's that?
माधवी लीला बोलते प्रभुजी.
Yes.
तुम्ही आता जे काय इंग्लिश मध्ये बोललात ते हिंदीत थोडं रिपीट कराल का प्रभुजी?
संक्षेप में राधा रानी की कृपा इस जीवन में प्राप्त करना बहुत जरूरी है. श्री कृष्ण भी उसी लाइन में खड़े हैं और अभी भी संशोधन कर रहे हैं. ये कृपा जो है वो ये तो बहुत ही अनुभव कर लिया है, लेकिन इस कृपा के सागर की था और इसकी गहराई ये कितना अथाह है, इसकी रिसर्च वो खुद भी कर रहे हैं. और दो मार्ग हैं उनकी कृपा के सागर से अपना संबंध जोड़ने का. एक है उनका और उनके प्रियतम श्याम सुंदर का नाम लेना, और दूसरा है उनके प्रिय भक्तों की सेवा करना, चाहे वो बरसाने में हो, वृंदावन में हो या कहीं भी हो. निरपेक्ष भाव से अगर हम उनकी सेवा करेंगे और उनका यानी भगवान का, राधा रानी का नाम लेंगे, तो हम भी बिल्कुल अपात्र होने पर भी पात्र हो जाएंगे. और जब हम इस सागर के कृपा को प्राप्त करने के लिए लाइन में खड़े रहेंगे तो उस लाइन में हमारे साथ कृष्ण भी होंगे, इसका भी आपको विश्वास होना चाहिए। उस लाइन में हमें कृष्ण का संग भी मिलेगा। हरे कृष्णा। कोई प्रश्न है किसी को?
थैंक यू प्रभु जी।
जय श्री राधे।
थोड़ी साखर, थोड़ी साखर।
जय हो। यस यस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे कृष्णा। And prayers for all of you, all children, all adults, everybody who is present. My heartfelt prayers, heartfelt best wishes for all of you to get connected to the Lord, and more than Lord, to Radharani's mercy. And wish you all best to engage yourself in service that we have started to build the hospital. So every drop of your support will surely connect you with Radharani. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.